Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert your SIM card into Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's do it. So here is my phone and here is my box, and first you need to look inside your box for the pin. And here is the pin. And now with this pin you must look into the bottom of your phone. Now just put this pin here. I hope you see it well, and push it. Now remove the slot. As you can see, there is no place for the memory card. Now let's put the SIM cards, and this is for the SIM 1. This is the right way. And now let's put the second SIM. It's the same way, and this is how it looks now. And now let's put back the SIM slot. And put it here and just push it. And that's all, and now you can power on your phone. And if you enter your SIM card pin, if you have one. And now if you want to remove the SIM card, just power off your phone again. Put it into the hole. Push it. Remove the slot. Remove the SIM and put it back. And that's all. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.